been on my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell somebody, because we lady over here. And without further ado, guess what, y'all? Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary, y'all. Y'all, we've been, man, let me check. Hold on. How long has it been, baby? Let's see. See. Hold on, y'all. Trying to see, where do I go to see that? Hold on, y'all. I know I be lost in the sauce sometimes. Hold on. Okay, so I had to go to view channel. So y'all, I'm under view channel. Y'all, September 29th, 2020. Do y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all was listening to music. Can y'all see that? Is it paying attention to it? There we go. September 29th, 2020. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all just don't understand. I love y'all so much. Like, I love the support. Oh my goodness, the love y'all be giving me, the advice, feedback. Y'all always be showing y'all love in these giveaways and stuff. So even though, you know, your girl sometimes be late, but y'all know y'all gonna get it. I'm good for my word. I'm always a woman of my word. So yeah, y'all, it's our anniversary. Oh my goodness, we've been on here since 2020 and it's 2025. Baby, that's 5 years. 5 years. Oh my goodness. Wow. Who would ever thought? Like, y'all, 5 years? I didn't even think I would have, like, y'all for real. Like, I thought only, like, my mama, my grandma, and, you know, just them folks. You know, your circle, your village. I thought it was just gonna be them, and I was okay with that. But just to see that I expanded to a bigger family, man, I would have never thought. I would have never thought. I'm so grateful. And y'all just don't know, like, YouTube, this is an outlet for me. Like, I talk to y'all about how I'm feeling, what I'm going through, my journeys, the ups and the downs, important stuff going on in life. And y'all be loving me down, and I appreciate it. I love y'all for real. And y'all been rocking with me through the highs, the lows, the valleys, and the woes. And I appreciate that, y'all. Try not to get emotional. Oh my gosh. Yes. So, yeah, life update. I'm doing good, y'all. By the time y'all see this, I probably would have recorded this early just to, you know, have it going, y'all. Y'all, this is the last hoorah, babes, with school. When I tell you after this I'm not gonna be in nobody else's facility, no, I can't do it. School is just, babe, it's a lot. It's mentally, it can be mentally draining. I mean, this semester I picked 2 classes that's dealing with social media, right up my alley. Babes, hitting with your best shot. So it's just like, y'all, this is the last go round. I mean, now it's kind of hitting me. I've officially talked to my advisor. I graduate in December of this year. Yeah, graduation. Yeah, we're definitely talking about that. I've already applied for graduation. They already have accepted it and stuff. Check my daughter's report, because they, you know, got to make sure that you have everything and all the requirements and credit hours to graduate. Everything came back lovely. So it's just like, y'all, it's finally hit me like, girl, you graduating. You know, I already have my associates, but now I'm about to have my bachelor's, and y'all, it's just so personal. Y'all seen, you know, everything I've been going through, the ups, the downs, just so much, and I still just keep fighting because it's personal. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, sometimes I just look back on life and stuff, and I'm just like, man, I was dealt, whew, a hand, baby. And I'm not saying, oh, poor me, nothing like that. I'm just saying I was dealt a hand, and baby, I still worked with it. Like, I still look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, like, I still just worked my wrist and just did it. I didn't say poor me. I didn't just lay there and cry and just stay in shambles. No, I got up. Anytime I got knocked down, just get up. Like, no matter how bad it is, no matter how dark the storm may look, no matter how, you know, you might go to a real dark place. Trust me, I've been there. And you gotta just keep fighting. You know, pray, meditate, whatever your thing is, whatever your belief is. You know, I don't go too deep about stuff like that on here, but baby, just do it. Fight. I don't know who need to hear this, but just fight. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's definitely worth it. You just gotta keep fighting, and it's closer to you than you think. It's literally there. And if you quit now, it's going to be all for nothing. Your hard work is going to be in vain. And why would you do that? Put yourself through all that stress, heartache, sleepless nights, eating crazy, not being able to eat, constipated, bills behind, missing work, missing. Why would you quit and let all that be for nothing? So yeah, I don't know if I went too deep, but yeah, y'all, whoever need to hear this, just keep going, keep fighting. If you want to do YouTube, now don't go in it thinking about money, because babe, you can watch the videos on here and they let you know that, you know, the algorithm and shadow ban and all that other stuff. So I wouldn't advise you to quit your main job. That's just my opinion, because babes, you know, them bills ain't gonna stop. But if you want to start YouTube, do that YouTube. Do not be scared. Don't let nobody tell you, well, you have to have a Sony or a Canon 1000 and 3000 billion trillion fillion lens crafters. No. If you don't use your phone, now if you got a flip daddy, I don't know. Because babe, I don't know. So you got a regular smartphone that got decent camera quality front and back, or at least the back. Get you a little setup. Even if you only got the back camera, put a mirror so you can flip it around so you can make sure you're looking at the correct spot. You do what you have to do. You do what you have to do. There's no right or wrong way. People will get on here and tell you, well, you gotta have this and that. Don't even do that because you ain't gonna be aesthetically pleasing. Trust me, there's an audience for every niche out here. And when I say everything, yes, baby, sometimes my timeline be kicking up stuff and I'm like, how did you even get here? Because you're not supposed to be here. So yeah, there's an audience for everything. Do not let, oh, I don't have the latest this. Baby, if you don't just press record. You could be somebody's outlet. Press record. Tell your story. Good, bad, ugly. Now don't get on here. Now hold on. Don't get up on here talking about street politics and all that other stuff, babes. Don't go that far, because stuff can get real when you say stuff here on a media outlet that's, you know, accessible from anywhere and anybody. So you might want to watch what you say, how you word stuff, names, events, dates. You might not want to be too specific, or some things you just might not want to say or talk about. So think about that when you think about safety, because sometimes people will see you in out in public, and just, that's all I'm saying. So be careful what you do, but definitely just do it. Do it. Don't, oh, next year, next time. No, you ain't promised tomorrow. Do it. Set your goal. Do it. It ain't too late to go back to school. Do it. You want to go take up a trade? Do it. Go get your CDLs. Do it. Start a business. Do it. Lose that weight. Do it. Work on your anger. Do it. Saving money. Do it. But back to today's video. Y'all know I get a little winded. I get it from my nana. But yeah, so y'all know I'm going to do a giveaway. Now, pre-warning, the giveaway is from my collection, which I probably even wore these purses once. So if that's not your thing, then baby, to the left, to the left. You can exit to the left. But yes, these are both from my collection. So we're doing a giveaway. And they're dust bags, babes, because you know that's how we do it. Y'all my heart. So since y'all my heart, it just makes sense to give away 2 heart bags. Baby. Do. I got even the child. I be keeping everything when I be getting the wrapping and stuff. So y'all, so cute. Come with a strap, and you basically snap it to here. Y'all, I don't want to snap it because my nails is long, and I don't want to break no nails on here, baby. Gold hardware, heart bag. So cute. This is going to be for one person. The other person going to be for another person. First come, first serve. You gotta, you know, once we get to the, you know, the winners, and first come, first serve, then you pick which one. But for this competition, it's gonna be my heart, hashtag my heart. You want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like, comment, and if you have social media, hit your girl up on IG. If you don't, it's no big deal. You can still enter it. Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Y'all hear y'all niece in the back with her squeaky squeaky. And then in the comments, you want to comment hashtag my heart, MYHEART. And this will be for the second winner. God, this is so cute. The LV heart bag. And y'all know they're dupiana, so if you be like, well, that looks da-da-da, you don't have to enter the contest, baby. You don't have to. You don't. If it's not to your liking, don't, baby. This is for the ones, the A1s that were down from day ones, that don't mind. But yeah, y'all. Make sure you follow. Everything is going to be posted in the description. The rules and regulations. Y'all know we get down like that. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and put in the comment hashtag my heart. And may the best 2 family members win. Y'all know we usually keep it going for about 2-3 weeks or so. Then we'll go from there. And I'll holla. Once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming, subscribing, loving on me. And y'all, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.